You did the craziest thing, growing plants in a freezer bag. But how do you get them out? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Finding Joy in the Garden. First, let's take a quick peek at the plants we grew. This here is the dahlia. And let's see, I have 5 plants growing in here. Some of them are smaller. So if you look in here, let's take this out. You see that one's really small, but this one is definitely growing out the bag. I have 3 bigger ones here. And then a tiny one in there. So this is the dahlia. We also have this here, which is the purple coneflower. And this I didn't need to cold stratify. Just placed outdoors in winter. And I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants in here. The purple coneflower. And then this one here is Skylardia, the double sunset from Baker Creek. And these are ready to be taken out of the bag for sure. Let's see here. Happy plants. Now, technically, if you have a plant with 2 sets of true leaves, then you can transplant them out of the bag. So this one definitely has. So these are the first leaves that come out. They're not true leaves. And then the first set of true leaves, the second one. So this is definitely big enough to transplant, even though it looks so tiny. This one is way grown. Most of my garden beds are not ready for plants, but I have been asked this question a couple of times, how to get it out of the bag, so I thought I'd show you today. So I'm going to put this box under here just to catch the dirt. Now, what I'm going to do is pretty much scoop this out the bag. So let me show you. So I'm just pushing at the bottom here with my right hand and pulling the bag down. And it's okay, you don't have to be too gentle with the plants. They will be fine. And I'm basically going to slide the entire thing out the bag. There are some really tiny ones, like this one over here in the corner. And I'm just going to pull that apart. There will be some broken roots, but they will be fine. So this one, believe it or not, this is one plant. And I'm going to separate some of the bigger ones. So see here, they're growing pretty close together. So I'm just going to put my finger in here and separate, tease them apart a little bit. So there you go. This is 2 plants, so I can actually separate again. Yeah. So, and if it's a plant where you can put 2 together, then you can just grow them with all those roots. You can grow them together like that, but I'm going to separate these as well. So there. So we have 5 plants already and all these. Now, like I said, if it's a plant that you can plant en masse, so say you wanted to plant alyssum, it's going to be very hard to separate them. Then you can just take this chunk like this and transplant them in the ground. I'm going to get 2 more out and I will show you how I'm going to put them in the garden. So these are 2 and separate. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. And this little baby, I'm going to up pot because she's still tiny. Let's go to the garden. So here's a spot where we're going to put the Gaillardia. And I'm just going to get some of these weeds out the way. Alright, so put one right here just to show you. Right there. And let's pick the biggest baby, this one here. More soil in there. And there we go. Our first plant is in. One more. Look at this one's roots. Isn't that great? Alright, so this one should go here. And don't ask me about spacing. I plant everything way too close together. It is what it is. Let's put this one here. Two down. And maybe one here. And that's the third baby. Now let me know how you're doing with your winter sown plants, if you have any. Have you started transplanting? Our our last frost is not until April the 1st or the 2nd. But these are cold hardy plants, so they will be fine even if there's a frost, I believe. And I just wanted to answer the question because I've had a lot of people ask me. So let me know how your plants are doing, if you have winter sown in bags or cups, any recycled containers. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section. So there they are. I put 4 in here and I can't wait to see them grow up. If you would like to see what this garden looked like last year, I'll leave a link in the description box. I can't wait for it. I'm going to water them in a second. It's been a second. There you go. Some water. And I also put 2 plants in here with these sad little poppies. I put 2 in here because these last all season long, and the poppies I expect to die back. So let's cover you back up because squirrels. Let me know if you have any other questions about winter sowing, and I'll try to answer them if I can. Click here for a winter sowing playlist if you'd like to learn about winter sowing, or click here for a video on my flower garden last year. Like the video if you liked the video, subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, may you always find joy in your garden and your life. Bye, garden friend.